The CLAAS Variant 500 redefines efficiency in the field. With a crystal clear view of the pickup and the ability to adjust speed on the fly, you're always in control. Push this powerhouse to its limits for maximum performance, no matter the crop or conditions. Innovative CLAAS technology ensures extremely fast wrapping and high-density bales, whether it's hay, straw, or silage. With just a few clicks on the Smart Control terminal, you're ready to work. The new chain lubrication system extends the life of the drive chain, keeping you in the field longer. And thanks to the 360-degree active rotor, you get exceptional cutting quality and perfectly formed bales every time. Whatever the harvest conditions, the CLAAS Variant 500 delivers unparalleled results.